Hey, welcome back to Dick in the Kitchen, where we whip up culinary masterpieces while telling jokes that are so bad they're good. What's my secret ingredient today, you ask? A dash of humor combined with a sprinkle of crazy, of course. If you're up for some flavor-packed adventure, then you're in the right place. Today we're hopping on an imaginary culinary plane to explore the vibrant flavors of Peru. We'll be making a tasty Peruvian spatchcock chicken, accompanied by tantalizing green cilantro sauce and oven-roasted vegetables. And let me assure you, spatchcock is not a type of rare bird species, although it would be an incredibly good trivia question, wouldn't it? Hey, don't wander away. Stick with us for a while, because later in the video, I'm going to share the secret to getting the juiciest chicken every single time. But here's a spoiler alert. It involves a bit of TLC. That's right, tender, loving cooking. In addition, we're launching our Cilantro Champions Challenge, and I want to see your creative ways of using fresh cilantro in cooking. So if you think you've got what it takes to be a cilantro champion, hang out with us for a while. Well, let's get going.
Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to spatchcock the chicken, which basically means we're going to give it a spinectomy. I promise it's not as scary as it sounds, unlike last week's meatloaf. In fact, spatchcocking a chicken is so simple. Just watch and learn. First, we place the chicken breast down on a cutting board. Then we take a knife and slice along the backbone. Then take out a good pair of scissors and just cut on both sides of the backbone from one end to the other. And when you're done, just take out the backbone. It's that simple. Turn the chicken over, give it a good press until you feel things snap, and then you've got one super relaxed chicken. While our chicken enjoys its newfound flexibility, let's concoct our Peruvian marinade. We'll mix garlic, cumin, smoked paprika, lemon juice, lemon zest, and here's the twist, olive oil. Yes, our chicken is going to get a spice bath. Talk about having a fun time. Okay, it's time to paint the chicken with the marinade. You can use any technique you wish, but fully cover both sides of the chicken with the marinade. Be sure to get some of it under the skin, on the thighs and the breast, to infuse it with all those great flavors. After painting the chicken, cover it well with saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. Better yet, leave it overnight if you have the time. While our bird is basking in the marinade, we'll whip together our green sauce. The heart of this sauce is, of course, fresh cilantro. It's going to give our sauce a vibrant color and a fresh, tangy kick. This green cilantro sauce is so zingy it could start its own band. Keep watching to find out how this sauce pairs perfectly with our Peruvian chicken, and don't forget to participate in our Cilantro Champions Challenge. But more about that later. The green sauce comes together quickly. Just process about 1 cup of coarsely chopped cilantro leaves and stems with 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, a few cloves of garlic, about 1/3 jalapeño chopped, and the juice of 1/2 lime. This stuff is really good and goes with a lot of other things besides spatchcock chicken. In fact, you might want to make a double batch. It's that good. All right, the sauce is ready. It's time to heat up the oven and show this chicken some love. Remember, patience is the key. Keep the heat at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 centigrade for 1 hour. The result, a succulent bird that's a far cry from your typical roast chicken, juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. To make things easy, we're going to prep the carrots, potatoes, and onions and cook them on the same sheet pan that we put the chicken on to roast. They'll all cook together at the same time, and everything will be ready in 1 hour. Okay, we're going to give the potatoes, carrots, and onions a little love. We're going to put them on the sheet pan, sprinkle with a little kosher salt, and sprinkle again with a little olive oil. Move the vegetables around a little to make sure they're all coated with the olive oil. And we're going to put the whole thing in the oven and just leave it for 1 hour. Man, does this look good or what? The chicken's perfectly cooked and the legs and thighs are falling off the bone. Take the chicken and put it on a platter. Cut off the legs and thighs, then split the breast in half. Add the veggies to the platter and get ready to serve it. Remember I mentioned our Cilantro Champions Challenge? While we're plating this incredible Peruvian chicken, let me tell you about it. Share any of your own cilantro-infused dishes in the comments and earn a chance to be featured in one of our upcoming videos. Exciting, right? This may be your big opportunity to get on to YouTube, so get over to the comments after this video is done and put down some of your dishes. Hey, don't bail out yet. We're almost done. You're about to see the finished product, and it is outstanding. If you happen to need a list of ingredients for this recipe, you can find them located in the description below this video. And there we have it, a juicy Peruvian spatchcock chicken with an unforgettable green cilantro sauce and delicious roasted vegetables. A culinary journey to Peru, no passport required. Be sure to like this recipe and subscribe so that you can get the next great recipe delivered directly to your inbox. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep enjoying, and remember, everyone's a chef in their own kitchen.